Welcome back to bonus episode 15 of Project X, where we're taking you on a journey with us to find private label product opportunities, teaching you along the way so that you can build your own business using these same simple methods. Now, what did we go over in the last episode 14, Tim?
Well, actually, in episode 14, we actually wrapped it up. We thought that was the last one. We showed the final results of the egg tray and the coffin shelf, and you got to see how we ramped up those sales.
Now, in this episode, we have some incredible news.
The episode that was not planned.
The episode that was not planned. As you may or may not know, we have a full-time PR person here at Helium 10, Matt Sky. Matt is a miracle worker. He actually got us on Shark Tank to record an episode because the Shark Tank team loved the idea of Project X. I'm not joking. I'm serious, right?
Yeah, I think what happened is, like Shark Tank, all these guys are entrepreneurs at heart, and they love when people find these unique product ideas. And most of the product ideas on Shark Tank actually suck, right? They're terrible. But there are so many good ideas that you guys have been sharing with us, and that's why we got this PR love was, basically a lot of you are so successful. So they tracked us down, and they wanted us to talk to them specifically about some of the products that we've been working on.
And if you think that we're pulling your leg, watch this video from Damon right now.
What's up, Manny, Guillermo, Bouillon, Bradley, Matt, and everyone else on the Helium 10 team? Congratulations on absolutely crushing it this year and helping Amazon sellers rise to the top. You're making future sharks out there. You're already sharks yourselves, but you are helping other people become future sharks. So from one shark, the Shark Damon John here to you, keep crushing it. All the best.
All right, guys. April Fools. There really isn't an episode 15. Were we on Shark Tank?
I guess there is an episode 15, technically.
We wanted to thank you guys, though, for all your support on Project X. And so we wanted to make a video to show you kind of the lighter side of the project. The next few minutes is going to be some video of some of our funnier moments filming this.
Yeah, and I can honestly say I don't even know what these are. I guess it's going to be up to Kevin. Kevin, you want to make a cameo?
Yeah, Kevin, come on over here. Kevin is the one who's been behind the camera most of these episodes. Say hi, Kevin. All right, Mr. Kim right there. He does weddings and bar mitzvahs. No, I'm just playing. But he's gonna put this video together for you guys. And so check it out. Why don't you just go directly into 0.5?
Okay. I don't know what to do with my hands. All right.
They think, oh my goodness, I have this really cool invention. I'm gonna crush it on Amazon. And it could be cool. Let me just see, like here, maybe for some reason you have a stainless steel letter P and you point it like this and it becomes a water gun, right? Who knows? Maybe that's really cool, okay? But think about that. Because they don't even know something like that exists. So we could have the coolest product.
That's probably because we get flagged for having a pea water gun.
Why did I go for that?
I think you went too deep. Again, it's not necessarily what we want to focus on. All right.
Finally, you made up a word like I always make.
All right, so let me do it again.
We've been a little bit cryptic with what exactly Project X is. X? That's a new letter of the alphabet. Project X.
Like there's so many resources out there. There's so many resources.
Freaking shoes.
Who does the makeup here?
Huh?
Obviously nobody.
Obviously nobody.
We ugly.
We need that. We don't have the budget for that yet.
One really great way doesn't mean they're dadgummit. I didn't know you were gonna throw this to me.
Dang nabbit.
And let's start over. I feel like we could do that better.
3, 2.
Why do you always count to yourself?
Every time you start, I started doing that because then you're like, wait, you gotta give me a countdown because I don't know when you're about to start. That was you.
I thought you were getting yourself hyped up.
Because I'm not looking at you. Like, I didn't realize that you're not looking. You'll tell me like, I'm not looking at the screen. And,
I'm laughing every time you do it. I thought you were hyping yourself up. All right, good.
All right, 3, 2. Welcome to Project X.
Bangerville.
See you on episode 2.
Oh, come on.
No. Sorry.
No, that's good.
I'm so lost. Hold on. I think you're over. Draw this out. You want to go to the whiteboard and let's sketch this out?
No.
Our
whiteboard's right there.
No, you're supposed to say yes, and later we're going to film us doing that.
What?
It's not on there.
Okay.
Dadgummit, I was rolling.
No, but you know what we could. Hey guys, welcome back to Project X, where we're taking you on a journey with us to find private label product opportunities, teaching you along the way so that you can build your own business using these same simple.
You're one word away from perfection.
What freaking word is that? Methods? It looks like motels. You see that? That says motel.
You're
Why
the one
did I
that
write
wrote
it? By the way, this is making me a little bit sick. I don't eat eggs, like, make me throw up, but.
Was that for the recording or was that
No,
for me?
I'm literally looking at this. I got a little bit. We showed them how to analyze. Oh, that's in part B. Huh? Like, my memory's bad. I sure as hell don't remember doing this. No, we didn't do this. That's the thing. I'm like, what the heck is this? We didn't do that.
Sorry, I just spilled drink on my shirt anyways.
All right.
While Tim was taking a slam, I was compiling keywords.
All this talk about deviled eggs just made like.
You're the one taking all the MCT oil.
Yeah.
Okay, game face. I want to illustrate roughly, basically a rocket, okay? Let's talk about how a rocket works. A rocket, you line up on the launch pad, all right? This is...
That does not look like a rocket, Tim.
If we're launching a product, what that means is we're taking our rocket and we're putting it on.
Come on, you've got to have another way to draw a rocket.
How do I draw a rocket?
What's on your mind?
What you're seeing is 100%. What you're seeing is 100.
One thing that you guys brought out in the AMAs that you didn't know about was like there's fast boats. Fast planes. No, not fast planes, but planes are pretty much like we have the Concorde. We're going to bring the Concorde to go faster than speed. We'll cut that out. So let us know in the comments below. We'd be curious as to what you're curious. If you're Manny's mysterious, curious.
Oh my gosh.
So guys, we would love.
What was that?
I'm trying to turn off my phone. That's an Apple Watch. You have to turn it off by slapping it.
I got an apple. You got to slap it. Android people don't slap themselves properly. Dude, we crushed that.
It's gonna be about 50.
We nailed that one. It's very conversational, which will be easy to follow. It's kind of like podcast style, where we even forgot something and wrapped back around. We're like, wait, we forgot about pricing. Let's go back and talk about pricing, and blew through
You
it.
sounded like Seinfeld. Let's talk about pricing.
Let's talk about pricing.